Well, we're a little more than a week away from the end of August, and so far this month, temperatures are running 2.5 degrees above average. That is the warmest start to any August in recorded history, and precipitation down more than 3 inches from average, and that is the second driest. So a very hot and dry August here for us. And thanks to this very large area of high pressure set up in the central United States, this heat dome, we have significant heat really across much of the central U.S. here, from New Orleans all the way to Mississippi, and including us here in the greater Meridian area. Excessive heat warnings and anything shaded in pink encompassing nearly 20% of the nation's population. That's almost 69 million people. So how about that? And this has really been a hot month of August across much of the nation. Again, excessive heat warnings continuing for us here in Meridian through tomorrow at least. We have the feels like temps that'll be anywhere from 110 to 115 tomorrow afternoon. And again, I do think we're going to see the excessive heat, at least advisories and warnings, continue through much of the weekend. Near record high temperatures and near record warm overnight lows continuing. The heat starts to break a little more by Tuesday, and by the middle and end of next week, it will be quite a bit more tolerable. Not as hot as what we're dealing with now, but the early part of September looks to be heating up once again. 83 degrees at midnight, 81 at 3 o'clock in the morning, and then still into the upper 70s by early tomorrow morning. Again, tomorrow morning we could wake up to record warm overnight lows in many spots, with a little bit of patchy fog developing in some spots, but no rain expected. So 78 tomorrow morning in Meridian. Our average overnight low is 71. 102 is the record high, nearly 10 degrees above the average. And tomorrow's record is 100. That's set in 2007. So we should be able to exceed that mark. Feels like temps again into the triple digits here all the way through Sunday, maybe Monday. But again, by Tuesday, we're really going to start to see that heat break. However, into early September, we are getting indications that warmer than average temperatures will once again return. All right, so no rain is expected through 7 p.m. Friday. Looks like a pretty dry stretch of weather here through the weekend. But tomorrow, there is an isolated thunder threat indicated by that light green. And the threat for that, again, remains pretty minimal. But as we head through the day today, look for a few more fair weather cumulus clouds, perhaps developing into a stray shower here and there. Tomorrow morning, we wake up to very warm temps, near record warm overnight lows possible. Southeasterly winds at around 10 miles per hour or so. And again, those daytime highs, at least actual air temperatures, climbing to near record levels. Feels like temps up to about 110. And again, region wide over the next several days, we could be dealing with those record temperatures. Showers and thunderstorms trying to develop early next week, and then trending a little cooler.